Game launch blocked by the ReShade32 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll help you fix your rendering pipeline so you can get back to the game. Before we start the ReShade32 Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the ReShade32 Library, the 32-bit variant of the reshade injector, required specifically for older legacy 32-bit games, like Skyrim or GTA 4. It translates the post-processing shader stack into legacy D3, D9, and 10 calls. Its absence is a common issue for retro modders whose presets fail to load on startup. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. ReShade32 is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the ReShade32 library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for ReShade32 Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing ReShade32 library dependencies. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for ReShade32 library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.